Thank you, thank you. First song is Kakaiba. It's an original song. Salamat po. Ayan po si Amang Pintor. Palakpakan po natin si Amang Pintor. Next song is original song again, Panaginip. This is all about magkaibigan na in the end, naging magkasintahan sila. sa'kin ng saya. Kung ako ay iyong mahal, wag na matagalin pa. Mundo man natin ay magkaiba, isa ang tibok ng ating puso. Landas man natin ay magwalay, alaala mo'y nasa bulsa ng puso ko. Panaginip lamang ba na tayo'y magkasama? Tanong ko lang sa'yo, sige na, kung ito ay panaginip, ako'y mag-isipin, hindi mawala ang puso ko. Naghihintay lagi sa'yo, hindi magbabagong pagtingin ng puso kong sabik sa'yo. Mga yakap at halik ang sulyap mo'y nabibigay sa'kin ng saya. Kung ako ay iyong mahal, wag na matagalin pa. Kung ito ay panaginip, ako'y wag nang isipin. Thank you, thank you. Ang ating pong huling song ay Nasasakyan Mo Pa Ba? Nasasakyan niyo pa ba ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas din? Kung hindi na, kailangan na magbago. Tandaan mo pa ba ang tagal-tagal na? Bakit lang nagugulo ba ang balita? Bakit ganito ang panahon ngayon? Lahat na pagkaliwalagan sa magalimutan, sino ang talang uminuwaan? Gawa ko na lang na saan na respeto ko. Nalimutan mo na ba ang aral ng nakaraan? Di mo ba nadadala? Paulit-ulit na lang, sawan-sawa na ang lahat na makikinig sa pangalong na pako. Mga kwentong papadero, sasakyan mo ba? Di na rumpa ka na, isensya na lang ang kalabas. Nagmagandang loob ka na, ikaw pa ang masama. Lahat mo ng iyong gagawin, nila'y kapanig. Mga taong magkagadyo, magkatisenti, pero manluloko. Sasakyan mo ba? Tatandaan mo ba bakit tagal-tagal na? Para kilala ko kung ano ba ang balita? Bakit ganito ang panahon ngayon? Lahat na papalibanagan sa makalimutan, sino ang talo hinuwaan? Kawawa nila lang na saan na respeto mo. Sa kasayaan, kaibigan mo ko sa kagigitan. Kakilala ba kita? Lahat ay may suot-suot na maskara. Akala mo kung sino, perfectong kaliseto. Sasakyan mo ba? Tatandaan mo ba bakit tagal-tagal na? Bakit ka na lang kung ano ba balita? Bakit ganito ang panahon ngayon? Lahat na papalibanagan sa makalimutan, sino ang araw minuwaan? Kawawa nila lang na saan na respeto mo. Huwag ka nagawa, walang ginagawa. Alam mo ba ang iyong ginagawa? Nasasakyan mo ba? Natatanda
stay for just a moment.
Yes, sure.
So we have our very own OPM artist in the house.
Yes.
Do we, alam po natin yung ibig sabihin ng OPM? Alright, it means Original Pinoy Music.
I thought it's other people's money.
Other people's business. Pwede yan. Pinoy na Pinoy talaga. Na-feel ko na parang nasa kanto ako.
Yes.
May Red Horse.
Yes.
Parang ganun yung...
Oh, thank you.
That was really...
Batang 90s.
Ang sarap pakinggan. Yung
Yes,
parang,
salamat.
I can imagine everyone just sitting around and having a good time.
Yes.
And of course, everyone here, because of your music, is having a good time. Is there anywhere we can find you?
Yes, Germination Digital Media Events. You can find me on Germination and Germinoy as well. Can I invite everyone as well? Is that okay?
Yeah.
November 30 po, that's a Sunday, will be the second Filipino Christmas market. Yan po.
Wow.
That will be from 10 in the morning until 8 p.m. So it's like a mini Bali Fiesta. It's indoor. It's 1,800 capacity.
Wow.
So please save it in your calendar. November 30 Sunday. It will be in North London in Harrow.
In Harrow.
Byron Hall. It's very close to the Harrow Leisure Center.
Byron Hall, is it?
Byron Hall.
Yeah.
It's close to the Harrow Tube Station, Victoria Line.
Nice. And once again,
November 30 Sunday.
30.
This is in partnership with the Filipino Tribe and of course Germination Digital Media Events.
Amazing, and we're going to be
Thank
seeing
you.
yourself there as well.
Yes, I will be running around because I'm going to stay there.
But we want to hear your beautiful voice on here with your songs.
We will be inviting other artists.
Okay, perfect. Sige, great, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Once again, and while we're setting up for the next one, look, ladies and gentlemen, the work of Amang Pintor. Did you do all four of that at the same time? Galing! Ang galing, ladies and gentlemen. Quick reminder, you can actually purchase these, well, bid for these at the end with the auction. So again, let your sneaky links know. Send me some money. I need to buy with me to our next performance.